University of the West Indies student dies in St. Mary road crash.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The High Command of the Jamaica Constabulary Force have confirmed reports of a fatal collision involving an 18-year-old female university student in St. Mary on Sunday morning, July the 15th. The female died from injuries she sustained when the Toyota Fortuna motor vehicle in which she was traveling crashed on the Gully Road in Oracabessa in the parish. The deceased has been identified as Abigail Angus, who is a student at the University of the West Indies, Mona. Reports from the Oracabessa police are that about 4:20 am, Angus was a passenger in the SUV when the driver allegedly lost control of the vehicle, which crashed into a tree. Angus was rushed to hospital, where she died while undergoing treatment. There is no reports on the condition of the driver or whether there were any other passengers aboard the vehicle. The Oracabessa police are investigating the accident.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.